got this grip tape from Bunnings. Silicone grip. I had quite a few to pick from. I picked this one because it was the best looking one. I'm going to put this on the Olympic weights. After I cleaned them up, this is a 20 kilo, but these are sharp. It's actually really cutting into your hands. I mean, what does it say? Peel, press, begin wrapping with half an overlap. You get to here, now what? Oh, it sticks to itself. Oh my goodness, it's brilliant. Man, this stuff's really good. I started too high at the top. It's just holding on there by itself. Pull it. Try and stretch it. Not like heaps, but like enough so you can get the distance. It's doing nothing. That's quite amazing. So out of one packet, I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I got five handles. I'm trying to clean up these Olympic weights. When I was excited about picking these up, I had no idea they were Olympic.